Hi everyone, this is Kevin Onyate and I will be discussing to you the City of Hope. So if I were the Chief Executive Officer of the City of Hope for a day, I would follow these three recommendations. But first, I will discuss to you or give you a brief description of the City of Hope. So the City of Hope is a private non-profit organization that is best known for their cancer treatment. It is located in Los Angeles County in California, and they serve as a clinical research center as well as a hospital and a graduate medical school. So their translational research and personalized treatment protocols advance care throughout the world through the development of human synthetic insulin, the different stem cell transplantation studies, and the numerous breakthrough in cancer drugs. The City of Hope, as a nonprofit organization that offers high quality care, the management, especially the CEO, should know or should analyze both the internal and the external environment of the company and should integrate strategic planning in what they do. If I were the CEO of the City of Hope for a day, I would focus on these three things in order to make the healthcare setting as a great place to work at. The first one is boost employee development. So as a CEO, I want to create a culture of curiosity and induce realization that we do not know everything and that employees must seek to further develop themselves in terms of skills, knowledge, personality, physical, emotional, and other things that makes someone great as a person, as an employee, and as a part of my unified team. This can be attained through different means, such as first is encouraging a fund for them to attend different conferences, trainings, and seminars. And by sharing what they learn from this, they can inspire other people to develop themselves. Shake in 2020 noted that training is an important tool to keep people updated in their skills. Second is partnering with some colleges and universities to provide educational assistance for continuing education. The knowledge that the employees acquire through this expertise in theoretical and practical areas can lead to greater causes such as promotion of innovation, quality assurance, and may become an inspiration to others. Third one is encouraging them to join professional organization so that employees will build relationship, they acquire new skills, and they can stay on top of the new development in their areas. The last one is lead by example. I will be a role model to them. As a CEO, I will encourage other employees by doing also what I want them to do. So it is a lead by example system where I will continuously seek for personal growth and development as well as the company's growth. I will also be a transformational leader who aim to inspire others to innovate their methods in order to get things done. The second one is recognition and reward system. So recognition and reward system is not merely giving a prize for what they do, but also encouraging other people to do the good deeds. The advancement of the technology and the numerous competitors had brought greater pressures for the company to increase job satisfaction in order for them to retain their employees. So Nagawa et al. In 2019 showed that reward system positively impact employee performance and their cohesiveness in the organization. Froese et al. In 2019 also agreed to this and concluded in their study that the rewards have been found to increase jobs and pay satisfaction, increase intention to stay, and actually higher actual rate or higher actual retention rate for the employees. This link between the performance and the reward system creates an opportunity for me as the CEO to motivate employees and tune their behavior towards efficiency and effectiveness. Lastly, I will integrate an online platform where employees recognize each other through points, and these points can be used to buy different things in our system. So in this way, I can build relationship throughout my company and then can foster good working environment where people are appreciated. The third one is a common vision, mission, and values. So changes in the organization is not easily accepted because personnel are used in their ways and do not want to change anything. However, The City of Hope, as a nonprofit and research institution, has a mission of transforming the future of health and a vision of turning hope into reality. So their mission includes turning science into practical benefits and turns hope into reality through exquisite care, innovative research, and vital education. So Stevens and Silver in 2015 cited that having a detailed mission statement, the organization will have common goals, and it shows its strategy to achieve these goals. The mission statement for any organization outline what is needed, who is being served, and how they will be served. On the other hand, according to Stevens and Silver, a vision statement should show what the organization aspires to be and shows the stakeholders where they are going. And organizational values describe the core ethics that the company will abide by. This will inspire employees to do their best efforts and also constrain them on their actions. So, with the values, mission, and vision that the City of Hope holds for their company, as the CEO, I will take into consideration the staff members, the stakeholders, and the patient. So the mission of advancing the treatment methods for different diseases works primarily for the benefit of the patients. However, this revolution of medicine also advances the skills, the knowledge, and the capacity of the healthcare professionals to adapt to these diseases. So as the CEO, I will promote a common goal through the shared strategy to achieve the mission and vision statements. It is the necessity for a healthcare organization to have in place a vision, a mission, and value statements to give the direction of the organization. Thank you guys for listening, and this is Kevin Niconyate for the City of Hope.